Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to be sorting string integers. So you might say, okay, what are those? Alright, so this is a string and they are integers, but you can have an issue with how to sort them, so we need to handle this. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So basically what the question is when I have these temperatures, temps, and when I split them out, so let's put this into memory. So this is why we need to really always understand what our problem is. So if we were to take this, so we have a string of temps, right? So we take temps and we reassign temps dot split. So all right, so now we have temps right here. Okay, now let's just go ahead and sort this. So temps dot sort, and called temps again, if I can type. And okay, great. We have whoa. Okay, this is not correct. So let me actually show you why this is doing this right here. So let's bring over some ABCs. And this will make a little bit more sense. So when we look at it. So if an integer is a string, it's going to get treated like the alphabet. So I'll say that, and then I'll show you this right here. So what do I mean it's going to be treated like an alphabet? So if I have an A, then an A, B, so I want this to then be sorted in order. So let's put this back into memory. So now we got A, B, C, and then I sort this list. So what in the world happens? Oh, wait a second. This is very similar to this. So these are actually treated like alpha characters. So for this to work, you need to convert it over. Let's get this like so. But let's go over this just a second. So the negative, just so you can remember what is happening, these have values. So that's 45. Then ORD 1. And then what is 0? 48. So as we're going, so see, this is why this is being sorted this way, because it is the same extension as if we were to have 1 would of course be in front of this, but then this continues on like so. But the proper way would be to do this, if you're dealing with integers that are strings that are integers and you want to then sort them, we need to temps dot split. Then as we go through, then we need temps equals int I for I in temps. Don't know why I can't type that today. Then temps dot sort print temps. Now let's run this and see if this is actually what we are expecting right here. And I changed mid. There we go. So now this is what we're actually expecting. But don't confuse what you're working with. This is another perfect example of what you are expecting. This solves everything. Make sure you're getting and working with what you're expecting. So Python can handle sorting a string, but it's going to sort it the way that it understands it. It's going to treat it like the alphabet, and it's going to go in ascending order, just like so, not treating it like a digit with a three characters is larger than 2 characters and rearrange. It looks at the first and goes forward from there. So there we go. I thought this was an awesome question. Awesome. This is why I think I said it in last video. no matter how much I explain things, there's always going to be a minute scenario that needs to be filled. So if you have a question, please ask it, because somebody else has either thought about it, has it, and doesn't want to ask it. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping down in the Discord down below, asking any questions, joining the community. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.